Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you how you can make money on Fiverr without having any skill at all. It is very easy and anybody can do this and see results. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to this website called Fiverr.com. So once you are on this website, you can click on sign in right here and go through the process, which is very easy. You can sign in with your Facebook account, you can sign in with your Google account, you can sign in with your Apple account, and make sure while you are signing up, make sure you sign up as a freelancer. Make sure you sign up as someone who is going to be working on Fiverr, not buying on Fiverr. So once you sign up, you are good to go. But before you sign up, I am going to show you a simple niche or a simple job that you can do or offer on Fiverr that requires no skill at all. So right here on this page, scroll down, and right here, as you can see, this person right here has done over 1,000 logo design for $35. This one has done over 20 logo designs for $25. This one has done over 200 logo designs for the price of $60. And this one has done over 1K for the price of $25. And if you scroll down, you will see a lot of other people on this website that are doing this and getting paid. As you can see throughout this page, there are a lot of people on this website making a lot of money by just designing logos for people. I am going to be showing you how you can also do the same. And don't worry guys, you don't need any skill in Photoshop or any of the hard software stuff. Everything I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to be free and anybody can do it. So the first thing you need to do is go to this website right here, freelogodesign.org. So what happens is that once you get a job on Fiverr to create a logo, you come to this website right here. Let's say you are doing a logo design for a food company with the name Top Food. For example, all you need to do is come to this website and type in Top Food right here. And once you are done, go to this side and click on categories. And because it's a logo about food, I am going to choose the food and drink niche. And once I am done, I will click get started right here. Let it load. And it will do all the work for you. Now we have thousands of logos right here on this website to choose from. You scroll and look out for the best or the ones you are satisfied with. And all these logos are copyright free. You can use them as you want. So once you finally choose the logo you want from this website, all you need to do is download it and then go back to Fiverr and send it to your client. And you will be making money. Guys, knowledge is power. What you know can make you money. Not everybody out there knows this, so make sure you take advantage of this and get started right now. We have thousands of people out there looking for people just like you to design logos for them. And we have just showed you how you can easily do it. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new video when we post a new video. Thank you.